As a designer, as a marketing professional, what I do in a lot of ways is a guess. It's an educated guess, but it is a guess. You create something, you create an ad, you create a website, and you put it out there and you hope it's effective. What the UVU Smart Lab does for me is it gives me data. It's sort of a crystal ball that tells me if my ad is going to be effective or not, and it takes the guesswork out of it.
The Smart Lab, the Sales and Marketing Applied Research Test Lab, is a very unique facility. It brings together both the marketing side and the sales side for research and improvement in both those functions in a company.
Hey, the reason that a focus group is a very good tool for business research is that it allows for people to come together, actual clients, actual customers, potential customers, and discuss a topic that is relevant to a business success. The business can then take that information and formulate a good plan in order to make a product more successful, in order to make changes within their marketing that will boost sales or will improve the image of the company.
What we have is two different versions of eye tracking. One is for remote environments, which can be used in a lab such as ours, and it's actually attached to a monitor. And the eye tracker fits along the bottom of it and will actually track where a person looks at this ad, and it will also tell us how long they looked at it. We've had clients that have actually reconfigured their entire ad campaign. We had a client that came in with 5 different ads for some consumer products that they had. The eye tracking told us that not one of those was the perfect ad, but a combination of the elements of those ads was more effective. So they were able to build one ad campaign around the eye tracking information, and it increased their ROI dramatically. EEG stands for electroencephalography, and that's a fancy term for a device that goes on your head. It has 14 sensors that actually monitor 14 brain waves, and we can tell you the emotional response of customers when they see various visual stimuli. For instance, you have a website that you want to set up, and you're wondering if it's going to be efficient and if the customer can manipulate their way through this website. Then we could tell you if it really made an impact on those customers or not, because we could see their emotional response actually graphed, and we could tell you if they got excited when they saw it, or if they were bored with it, or if it frustrated them.
One of our clients has super graphics that they use for in-store signage, and if they get one thing wrong, their sales drop precipitously. What they want to do is they want to optimize those things so that we can understand where people are looking and are they processing that in a way that makes sense and touches the customer. So with a combination of eye tracking and EEG, we can see where people are looking and are they emotionally engaged in that product.
Without question, the UVU Smart Lab has given me an edge, and it allows me to predictably generate the kind of results I know my clients are looking for. My campaigns simply perform better. It's an invaluable resource.